The nominal yield is the return on an investment without adjusting for inflation. The real yield is the return of an investment after accounting for inflation. So the real yield would equal the nominal yield minus the inflation rate. We can represent that as the real yield would equal 1 plus the nominal yield divided by 1 plus the inflation rate minus 1. So let's say that the yield is 6%, so that's the return on investment, and the inflation rate is 2%. We then represent these two percentages as decimals, so 6% would be 0.06, which is the nominal yield, so 1 plus, over the inflation rate, which is 2%, which would be 0.021 plus, and then all of this would be subtracted from 1. This then simplified would then be 0.0392. You would then, to convert this back into a percentage, multiply it by 100, which would be 3.9%. So that means the real yield, factoring in for inflation over the year, would be 3.9% on a 6% return.